Hi everyone, it's Brian from Ispring. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to create an online course from a document or presentation using Ispring Flip. With Ispring Flip, you can turn your documents into engaging training materials and track your learners' progress. It's fast and easy to use, with no extra settings to configure, and the output is in HTML5 format which can be viewed on any device. You can download Ispring Flip here at ispringsolutions.com and try it out absolutely free. Okay, let's check it out. Here I've got a PDF cookbook with a bunch of great illustrations, but it's kind of clunky navigating through it in a browser, and any other PDF reader would give the same two-dimensional experience. This would look much better as a real cookbook with flipping pages, so let's see how to do that. Flipbook handles not only PDFs, but also Word documents and PowerPoint presentations. Plus, you can just browse for a file here and see the list of all acceptable formats. And here's my cookbook. If at some point you want to open a different file, you can do it here in the main menu. And in this window, you can see all the pages of your PDF on the left, and also navigate through them with the arrows. If you want to zoom in on a detail of a page, you can zoom with this bar over here. Okay, now let's see what this baby can do. Before you publish your book for different devices, it's a good idea to see how it looks first. And that's where the preview mode comes in handy. Now that looks much more natural, just like a real cookbook. And the illustrations perfectly complement the recipes. Not only that, you can click this little book icon to switch back and forth from normal PDF view to Flipbook View. Doesn't the flipbook look so much more natural? Here I can select desktop, tablet, or smartphone, and even virtually rotate a device. As you can see, not only does the book content adapt to the size and orientation of the devices, but also the player controls differ on different devices for a better mobile experience. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can close the preview and publish it to web-ready HTML5 format. You can also publish this book as a course for an LMS and use it as training material at a culinary school. Just watch the tutorial to find out how. Here you can choose a title and destination folder and your output options. Ispring Play is a free mobile app your viewers can use to download and view your book when there's no internet connection, and the zip output packages all the HTML5 files into a single zip file for easy management. Before you publish, you can also fine-tune image compression and change advanced settings. You can turn on editing, protect your book with a password, and enable viewing on a local drive. See, some browsers restrict viewing the online version locally, so what this does is create a copy of the book that can be viewed from a flash drive, hard drive, CD, or DVD. And that will increase the final output size as well. Okay, so now let's publish. When it's done, you'll see it again in this preview window. And you might want to do a final check to make sure it looks great and runs smooth on all devices. Now that it's published, you can also view it in a browser, open the folder to see the files, or share it right away by attaching it to an email or uploading it to your website via FTP. Thanks for watching, and if you want more info about Ispring Flip or any other product, or e-learning in general, feel free to check out the Ispring blog and forum, and as always, stay tuned for more video tutorials.